Hey Cassidy, this is Brandon. We spoke earlier today and I wanted to go ahead and get this video over to you guys. So I won't take up much of your time and I appreciate you being generous with your time. I just want to go over 3 techniques and tactics that you guys can use to start gaining more traffic to your website organically. And what I've done is I've just typed in Colorado Springs HVAC company as, a typical word, a typical phrase that somebody might type in if they're looking for your services in the Springs. And I wanted to show you what your top competitor in this area is doing in order to get a lot of the traffic. So I chose SoCo Heating and Cooling because they're number 2 in the map pack and they're also number 1 in the organic listings. I'm not going to talk about Yelp or Angie's List because those are different stories. But I've went ahead and I pulled up their website. I pulled up your website, and I'm going to talk to you about kind of what I'm seeing on my end that's allowing them to gain more of the traffic than you guys are. So your site looks great, by the way. I'm sure this was a fairly expensive website to build, and it looks good. You've got a lot of pages, you've got a lot of content, and that's very important. So you guys are off to a great start. The first thing I do want to talk to you about is content. So Google has crawlers that are bots that crawl, Google 24/7, and they're looking for a handful of things. And one of the first things they're looking for is that your home page has at least 1,500 words on it. So what I've done is I've just copied and pasted your home page, and it looks like there's about 592 words on it. So that would be a good place to start, is to get your home page up to 1,500 words. But obviously, it's very important what makes up the content rather than just the number of words. So what you want to do is place as many buyer intent keywords as you can into your website. So these are keywords like Colorado Springs HVAC company, or AC repair, Colorado Springs AC repair, any of the services that you offer in your particular service areas that you'd like to target. Those are the keywords that you want to go after and get into your site. And one other thing you can do too is you can save all your photos as keywords. So instead of Nate Certified Logo, you can save that as, furnace repair, Colorado Springs. And you can save this one as, furnace repair, Littleton, or wherever else you guys want to focus on. So that's a trick that you guys can use as well. And then the next thing I want to talk to you guys about, well, actually, before I move on, so this is a tool called Ahrefs, and I put in your website, and it pulls up kind of what's going on in the background. So we're going to focus here on these keywords. So you guys have 820 keywords currently, and it's helping you guys generate about 333 people to your website per month organically. And oftentimes this is underreported, so it could be more than this. And so 820 keywords, 333 traffic. Your top competitor has 739 keywords, and they have 1,700 people per month at least viewing their website. So you guys have more keywords, but less traffic. So there could be a few things going on with that. Number one is I would go into their keywords and figure out which ones they're using that are high quality keywords. Oops, I think I clicked on the wrong page. So yeah, click on these keywords and you can see what they are ranking for. So heating and cooling, Colorado Springs, they're in position 2 for that, and that gets 400 search volume per month. Okay, so there's a lot of keywords that you can use that they're using to outrank them essentially. So you just want to make sure that the keywords you have are quality buyer intent keywords. So that's the first thing. Second thing I want to talk to you guys about are backlinks. So you guys have a ton of backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere your website is linked to another website. So this could be a shout out, a blog, a guest post, a number of things, but not all backlinks are created equally. Do you want to have more? You want to have quality over quantity. So just because you guys have this many backlinks doesn't mean that they're all quality links. So you guys have 1,600 backlinks from 129 different websites. Your top competitor only has 309 backlinks from 92 websites. So to me, this is telling me that they have very high quality backlinks and very good keywords. because it's allowing them to gain a lot more traffic. You guys have more keywords and more backlinks, but from the data, I mean, there could be a number of things going on, but from just quick glance, without doing all the research that is necessary, it looks like they've got more quality words and links. So you can go into their backlinks and see what they're using, and whichever ones are trustworthy and relevant, you can use those, because if they're good enough for them, they're good enough for you, and you can add more backlinks in as well. So that's the second thing I wanted to talk about. The third thing is, how do you get into this map pack? So this comes down to citations. You want to beat out Spring's heating and cooling, and to do that, you want more citations than they have. So a citation is anywhere you can list your business name, phone number, and address into a directory, and that will give you a citation. So if they have 200 citations, you want to get 250 or 300 to dominate them. And then there's a few other ways you can optimize your Google My Business profile that are actually very simple. So those are the 3 topics I wanted to share with you. I really hope that you guys found some value in that, and would love to hear any feedback you have. And I again, really appreciate your generosity and your time and taking a look at this video. Hope it was helpful. Thanks so much.